What is going up, YouTube people? My name is Kyle Roach and welcome back to my channel. Today I went to East Kent College, as you can see in my uniform, and then I went drinking with one of my friends, with four of us, so that was fun. And then after that I got on the bus and they went to CX and they're going to go back. As I left, I went to get the bus. The bus was fine till the last minute on Cable Hill. There was a crash on Cable Hill, so there's been two collisions, and one recovery truck and one police car. There are cones down on Cable Hill and that sort of stuff. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be sending you pictures on the start of this video, so watch out for that and stay safe. So I am just doing this little vlog for you to show you what to not do. Now, there was no drink driving involved, it was just a general accident. So I've spoken to the police officer about it and he said there was no injuries whatsoever, and it looks all fine. So stay safe and peace for now. Peace. Because the bottom of the hill's closed, people are going back up the hill and then coming through this way. So what's happening here? Okay guys, so this is my second vlog, and there was been a crash, so we've just been stuck around about 10 minutes. So there's the two cars which have been involved, and that's the police car, which is the only one. So we are now moving, and yeah, take care. And there is the second one. And so guys, stay there. Hope you enjoyed my video today, and peace for now.